We have discussed so far test number 2.54. So just tell you small little bit of brief about what happened exactly. So we are in second chapter, 54th verse. Can you switch on the light? Yes. So in first chapter we saw that how Bhagavad Gita was started, and there were discussion about Kurukshetra war, and Arjuna gave 5 reasons that he cannot fight. Right. So in that 5 reasons, Krishna refuted in second chapter. So he spoke Karma Kanda and Jnana, and then Karma Yoga philosophy he spoke. So now that discussion is going, like Arjuna is asking, what is that Karma Yoga person? About that is the Chitta Prajna. So we have completed until this. So can anyone share any points? Would you like to share some points? What we discussed in last class? Anything remember? So we saw that benefit of acting in Buddhi Yoga, that Karma Yoga, that person, somebody acts in what he will get. He will be relieved from payas and sin active, that we saw. And he will be free from cycle of birth and death. Means no more birth for him. And we saw he doesn't worry about happiness or misery. He will be in equipoise. That we saw. In this way, one attains samadhi. That karma yoga only Krishna continued the benefit. So then Arjuna asked the question, what is that samadhi means? That is that person we call Sthita Prajna. Sthita Prajna means one who is self-realized person, or we can say Krishna conscious devotee. They are called those who are in samadhi. So about them, Arjuna asked some 4 questions. What are their characteristics? Some 4. So how they behave, and that's like somebody is a rich person, we can understand how he is rich. Stinking rich person, you can see that he will be having some rich car, he will be having some gold chain, bracelet, very high class mobile. So by seeing we can understand that he is rich person, right? So similarly, person who is suffering from some disease, so that also we can understand. Always he is coughing, looking very sore. So by that symptoms are there. Similarly, this Sthita Prajna also has some symptoms. That's why what topic I gave, who is Muni, something I don't know. Saintly person, who is saintly person, like huh? Right attitude of saintly person, that poster I gave. So who are that saintly person? That can expand a little bit. Which will have you can sit in asana, special asana is there. So that 4 question he asked, he is asking that 4 question. How he, general symptoms he has, how he speaks, and how he sit, how he walks. Means not something looks like some material things like that, but it has inner meaning also. So we will discuss today that. Let me share the screen. .54 we can take. Just we will have one overview. Arjuna Vacha Sthita Pragnasya Ka Bhasha Samadhi Stasya Keshava Sthitadi Kim Prabhaseta Kim Asita Brajate Kim. Translation. Arjuna said, "O Krishna, what are the symptoms of one whose consciousness is thus merged in transcendence?" how does he speak, what is his language, how does he sit, and how does he walk. So these are the symptoms he is asking. How we can understand and how they do this. The same thing a general person how he does and how this transcendental person will do means the sthita prajna. So this whole verse will be now about him only. This whole chapter now 54 to 72. 55 Krishna starts answering one by one. So everything has that external and internal meanings. External meaning is now in internal meanings we will see from next sloka onwards. So next sloka 55 it discuss about the first symptoms. That is the general symptoms. We will see that. Sri, so now Krishna is going to answer. That's why Sri Bhagavan Vacha
Shri Bhagavan Vacha
Prajahati Yada Kaman
Prajapati Yada Kama
Sarvan Pata Manogatan
Sarvan Patra Manogatan
Atmani Evatmana Tushtaha
Atmanye Evatmana Tushta
Sthita Pragnas Tadochyate.
Sthita Prajnana Tadochyate.
Somebody would like to try?
Shri Bhagavan Vacha
Sri Bhagavan Vacha Prajahati Yada Kaman Sarvan Partha Manogatan Hitatmani Evatmana Tushtaha Sthita Pragnas Tadochyate. In the translation also.
When a person builds up all varieties of desire for self-gratification, which arise from mental consumption, and when his mind thus purified finds satisfaction in the self alone, then he is said to be pure transcendental conscious.
He gives up all desires for sense gratification. Doesn't use important to
Sense gratification.
senses. Means that senses always the senses attracts, right? Attracts to sense object. So their mind is controlled. That's why. And when his mind thus purified, it is said that. So the purified mind doesn't go behind the senses. Generally, mind has the desire. So in order that mind is subtle. So the mind cannot satisfy or have that desire. So in order to have that desire, the senses are given. So through senses only, the mind will satisfy their desires. So the impurified mind, to the degree it is contaminated, to the degree the mind demands enjoyment. Like many people have different types of sense enjoyment they go behind. Drinking, smoking, some goes steals also, many cheats also others. So that means to the degree they go that much contamination is there in mind. Someone rape also. They don't worry about anything. So that's why, but that mind is purified. So they don't go behind this enjoyment. So purified means through knowledge, and because of that knowledge, they will be detached from this. So knowledge means I am not this body, I am soul. So what is the use of trying to enjoy this body? Anyhow, how much you give enjoyment to this body, it is not going to be satisfied because we are soul. So his then what satisfaction he find? It is there find satisfaction in the self alone. Self alone means by remembering God. That we will discuss. So these person are called Sthita Prajna. So he is detached from material things. He doesn't go behind these material things, whatever it may be, home, car, or relationship, is that he knows these are all temporary only. It is going to give me trouble only. So in this way, he is detached from both happiness and misery. So why he doesn't want happiness also? What can someone say? Misery is fine. Nobody wants misery. Nobody wants pain, but doesn't want happiness also.
Because in happiness also you can be better and maybe that state might not remember the Lord.
Okay.
So even if it is misery or happiness, it will find us.
How happiness, how it binds us.
Reaction. I want to enjoy.
Like I got some lottery, 10 lakhs. So, okay, if I try to enjoyment, then again it binds. Anything? Any try?
And one more that happiness, whatever happiness it comes, it will always come in the bodily level only. Because of what because the propensity of being happy is already present in the soul. Anand. So whatever happiness we are getting, that we are getting in the bodily level only. And we are initiating ourselves that this happiness is means not by me, but that me is we are referring to body over here.
Yeah, he has that knowledge.
Yes, we already have that knowledge and that happiness.
So this
And that
happiness
is
is not
propensity
going
of
to
the
give me.
soul.
Actually, he knows that happiness is not going to give me any, because this happiness is temporary. In this world, you see, misery also temporary, happiness also temporary. So people doesn't want suffering, but still it comes. When they are suffering, they feel that when I can come out from this. So further, they try to do so many way how I can come out. But when he is in happiness, that time also he is fearful. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा ही रहना चाहिए. But will it be there? What is that? Matras Pasesta Kandeya, Sita Ushna, Sukha Dukha. Sita Ushna, hot, cold, Sukha Dukha, happiness, suffering. It comes, stays, and go away. So this Stita Prajna person knows that this happiness also will come, and it stays, and it will go back. So what people will do? Oh, this, now I became rich. So somehow he became rich. He was little poor. He became rich. Once he becomes rich, then he thinks that I should be like this only. And until he, in general, if he has karma, good karma he has done. So until that good karma, that period over, he will be rich. As soon as that period is done, again that next karma will go. Like this karma has this much account. Then next karma, it may be punya or pap. If it is pap, then again he will come down. So the Sthita Prajna knows this knowledge. That's why now people, why they are putting money in bank. अगर कुछ problem होएगा future में, so they know that some problem may come. So that's why they save that money, 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 20 crore. Maybe sometime bank also will loot and run away. They try to put in bank. So because he has that knowledge, he doesn't worry. So happiness also one cannot enjoy, and suffering also he doesn't enjoy in both. That's what it is given here. That's sloka. He gives up desire for sense gratification, which arises from mental concoction. So one should not take shelter for sense gratification. Because the sense gratification is, it is coming from mind only. Mind only dictate us. Senses cannot act. Senses doesn't go and if you give a hand to enjoy some gulab jamun, it cannot enjoy. It doesn't know what should be done also. Mad person doesn't know what to do. But if he is proper conscious, then he will do eat, or he can use mobile properly. So that's why it is coming from mental only, mind level only. There are happiness in different level. Physical level, mental level, intelligent level. Then comes ego level also, and then soul level. Ego level means everybody is appreciating you. Because of you only this company is running. So that proud comes, right? That is ego. At the same time, tomorrow the same person says, you are a worst person, because of you everything will last. So ego is hurting here. Either ego enjoys or ego hurts. Mind level means something nice program you are doing. No, mind level, yeah, that is mind level, you can say. You are doing nice program, then that for 1 month that software only is not working, because you made that program, then it started working. So everybody feels very happy. So because of your mind level, you will get happiness. Or everybody is saluting you as soon as you come. Everybody is saluting you. One person doesn't salute. I think this watchman is not saluting you. Even though you don't tell anything, but inside you feel. So mind, intelligence, different level is there. But these are all material only. But when you comes to that soul level, that is spiritual. That's why he will be happy in soul platform. In self alone, it is said there, na? But in one thing, artificially we cannot stop this desire. Array, now I should stop all the desire now. I should not try to enjoy. That is not possible. That you can do for some time. like a dog is there very like lion or tiger, something are holding. How long it will stay? The rope may slowly broken and then they run away. So something like that, we are also trying to pull the mind. Don't think that will not work out. This yoga is, huh?
Controlling is not possible.
We cannot control ourselves. That's I'm trying to say. You can try controlling means like we're suppressing. "Nahi, mat karna hai, subh utna hai." So in some devotees also I have seen, as soon as they come to ISKCON, so they become so much enthusiastic. Prabhu, 2 o'clock I will get up. I also did 2:30 we'll get up and we chant. Everyone will chant. So they do for some time we did. But slowly. And again sometimes something we'll do. I will chant daily now 32 rounds. Sometimes we'll do that. Proper, of course that is not bad. Not something like material we are doing. But this artificially it will not work out. Artificially one cannot suppress the senses. Like yogis they do artificially only. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, they do one step. Vishwamitra Muni, he tried his best. He fell down also. Of course, they do again and again. So this process is quite difficult process that is. But bhakti, it is how we have to then control. Sense control means they don't engage their senses in any material thing. So they just control the senses and they don't think anything bad. They do. That's why yoga, pranayama. Doing pranayama will help to control the mind. But yogi devotees, what we do, we just downtail the desire. You want to eat, don't go and eat outside. Eat prasad. So same that activities are changing here. So in this way, what happened by honoring prasadam, you don't get taste. Means you don't feel that I want to eat something from outside. That desire will not come. So one should engage his senses in Lord's service. Can engage this whole body, eyes for taking darshan, legs for walking to temple or taking that also we are walking, or we are doing pradakshina. Dindi yatra we go, Maharashtra I also went once. Our hand for playing kartal, mridangam or carrying something or cleaning. So like this we can engage all this. In this way it will be purified. Because we are giving correct input. And in this way we will get proper satisfaction. Yeah, he used all his same that example I gave. I did not take him. Some people they find difficulty to live non-vegetarian. Of course, I had that problem. Many, but once start eating prasadam, how it leaves you also you don't. It was very easy. Outside person, you see, they should not eat meat. Impossible for them. They find so much difficult. They become restless. As soon as they hear, "Kya? Iskam prabhu, ye nahi, wo tik nahi," they start chastise only. Because you are interfering in their sense gratification. You tell don't smoke, he'll become angry. Bhagwan hi nahi. He'll tell Bhagwan ko bada. So in this way one will be purified. This is what it said that how one that impure sense, impure consciousness will be purified. So other way that the service I told, another one is chanting also. Chanting is the Yuga Dharma for this Kali Yuga given. That will purify us very swiftly. We don't know only how it is happening. As you see, our devotees, they will be chanting for many years, struggling and chanting. What chanting he is doing from externally, we think that, but what elevation he is getting, we don't know. If he doesn't like, why he is going to do? Almost now for myself, 2009 onwards means I started chanting 16 rounds. Still it is going on. So if I don't get any taste, why am I going to do this? Because one person challenged me that time. Really you are liking? Really you are happy staying here? He asked me. If I am happy, if I am not happy, why am I going to do? I will run away. Like outside people, they do something. They don't feel happy, take a change karo. दूसरा ये नहीं है वचन. वैसा हम we will change ना one desire. It goes on. But here it is not like that. Getting up early morning 4:30. Same program. Same Mangalarti, same chanting. So one gets satisfaction in self alone by knowing who am I. I am a servant of Supreme Lord, servant of Lord and his devotees. So his devotees also it is just by serving them and they will become happy by our service. Even Lord also or devotees also. So by serving them, once they become happy, we will get their blessing. That's why spiritual masters all come, they will so much do service. Even you came, right? This Gaur Purnima, so much arrangement we did, prasadam, there's so much service. Many things are there, just to please devotees and Lord. So in this way, once get blessing. So because of that blessing, only we will get the strength to control our senses. It's not we can suppress. We can suppress. You try to suppress like yeah, given you big ball, very big ball, and you are trying to suppress inside water. So कितना कितना आप अंदर जा रहे हो उतना उतना force आएगा. So how much you can keep it? How much? How long? As soon as you leave, it comes top. So like this only we so much we do. Person I know, my friend, he is a chain smoker. He tells that I want to leave smoking. So he will tell me also. You see, you note that how many days I am. So we will also do that some experiment. What he is doing. He also leaves 1 week, 2 weeks. Especially exam time, he will challenge 1 week, 2 weeks. Then while he is crossing, some person will be smoking. He will see that. Slowly he will go. Alright. Then once he goes, then I don't know how many cigarettes he will smoke that day. Because बहुत दिन के बाद ये किया है. This Ayyappa devotees people go, you know, Sabarimala, Kerala, correct.
They smoke.
No, they don't smoke. 48 days they do vrat, austerity. So 48 days they have severe austerity. Don't eat meat. Don't wear chappal also. Early 2-3 times they take bath. 2 times they have to take bath. Fresh clothes they have to wear. Go to temple daily. Sleep in some just ordinary mat only. Very simple life, simple food, and very religious. You cannot say devotional. Devotional means only for Krishna. He's very religious. You see everyone. And he doesn't have relationship with his wife also. So everything they do very perfectly. But as soon as they come out, the next day only they compensate. Itna din nahi khaya, utna din. So this is why this is the trying to suppress the senses.
Just in Navratri.
I don't know what they do Navaratri.
After
10th days, real Navaratri. So that's why by serving Lord, by knowing that I am the servant of Lord, we are the Amsa, Krishna's part and parcel. So that's why we are servant of Lord. We came from Lord, we have to serve Lord. By knowing that, one will be satisfied. So knowing that means just I am servant, not we have to serve also. Just by serving Lord, you will get that some satisfaction. And that to devotees, why it is said? Devotees also. It is even in Padma Puran, Mother Parvati asked Lord Shiva, what is the best to worship? Aradhana. Best, highest. So Shiva said that Aradhanam Sarvesha. So Sarvesha means in all the worship, Vishnu or Aradhana. That worshipping Vishnu is the best. And the second line he told, better than that is serving his devotees. So because Lord himself will become happy by serving his devotees. Padma Puran. Tasmat Paratram Devi Taitana Samacham. It tells that Parvati that worshipping me, worshipping Vishnu is best. Better than that is worshipping his devotees. Because Lord also, when Krishna also will become happy if somebody is serving Lord and serving his devotees. Because they are very selflessly serving Lord. And Lord also eagerly waiting how I can do something for it. Like Prabhupada, whoever served, they all will go back to Godhead. Prabhupada himself told. See, Chaitanya Charitamrita book printing happened. Those who helped in this, they will go back to Godhead, Prabhupada said. So much, very tirelessly they served. Within 2 months they completed. 2 months they can complete only one book, but they completed all the book, whole set. It was very amazing miracle. How it happened, nobody knows. That one lecture is there, I will share. You can hear what happened. You will be Rameswar Prabhupada disciple. So he told that it is not there in book also, that part of how it happened, how it came out. Very little bit is there, but he told in full story. As Prabhupada decided, Krishna also empowered everyone. Okay, we'll go to, this is the general symptoms, where he never interferes in any sense gratification thing. Next verse we will go. It's a very important verse and a very wonderful verse. Dukkeshu anudvignamanaha
Dukkeshu anuvignamanah.
Sukeshu vigatasprahaha
Sukeshu vigatasvaraha.
Vitaraga bhaya krodha
Vitaraga bhaya krodha.
Stitadir munirujyate.
Siddhirmanisyate.
Anybody would like to?
Dukkeshu anuvignamanah.
Dukkeshu anudvignamanaha
Sukeshu vigatasvaraha.
Sukeshu vigatasprahaha
Vitaraga bhaya krodha.
Vitaraga bhaya krodha
Stitadirmuniruchyate.
Stitadir munirujyate.
One who is not disturbed in the mind, even admits to the threefold miseries, or elated when there is happiness, and who is free from attachment, fear, and anger, is called a sage of steady mind.
You know threefold miseries, right?
Adibuddhi, Adidevi, Adhyatma.
Means no.
Sorry. Adhyatmic, which comes from inner self only, from our own mind. Other beings, other living entities, and Adidevi is from the natural calamities.
Demigods. So it is said that he is not disturbed in his mind. Whenever problem comes also, he never disturbs. Whenever happiness comes also, he is not elated. People jumps up and down. Mil gaya, seat mil gaya, job mil gaya. And he is free from attachment, fear, and anger. So he is called stage of steady mind. So this is question about how does he speak. That second question. First one we saw general symptoms. Now how does he speak? How does he speak? Some charismatic way. Is it that is not here still told here, or some different slang only? My spiritual master once told he went to one person. He's very kind of charismatic, and he speaks such a words no one can understand. That's synonyms we say, na? Thesaurus. That's kind of even one meaning. It has so many meanings. So he choose such a meaning, same meaning only, but we cannot. We don't know that. So the opposite person finds to understand. GRE or TOEFL pura rehte na. You know that kind of words all they will ask. How much his English is good or any language. So he uses such a Maharaj. So I did not understand only what he told. And Maharaj made point. Purpose of communication is to communicate, means you make him understand the things. But he's thinking this is very great thing, and he spoke. He uses such a big words. He never heard only Maharaj spoke. Huh? Yes, again. So that's what not this type of speak means. What this question means? How does he speak? Means how are his intelligence and words affected by another affection? Which means if somebody chastises and if somebody glorifies, whatever somebody tells about him, he will not be affected. That is what it is said that. Or how he responds. Somebody chastises, "Arey mere ko ek gaali diya, main 10 gaali deta hu," aisa nahi. He will just accept and goes on. Like Sukadev Goswami was going on. He was nude. People were beating him on stone and then chasing him away. Get out from here. Going. But he did not care only. He was just walking. He was walking, and he went to this bank of the river where he is going to speak Srimad Bhagavatam. As soon as he went, everybody was being obeisance, everybody was worshipping him, glorifying him. And these general people saw what kind of person he is. We've beaten him with stone all. Then they understood what kind of person he is. So we cannot understand a person by external. Generally, you see people, you will understand by external in material world. So with him, some 10 people will come behind him. Some minister is going, 5-10 car will go. Then some VIP is going, we'll understand. Externally, internally, he is such a worst person. He will be. It has all nonsense activity. Some kind of Swami is also there like that. They just, many people will glorify this, that, but inside what they are doing, we don't know. Discuss about that. So here, proper replacing in this commentary that what is Muni? Who is Muni? Muni means one who agitate his mind in various ways for mental speculation without coming to a factual conclusion. So generally Prabhupada is telling about this. This Munis, what they do, they read and they speculate what will be like this, like that. So many kind of speculation they make. And each and another this Muni A, Muni A and Muni B, their both conclusion also should be different. So like this they speculate so much. Maybe this, maybe that, do this, this. So much they speculate and they don't come to conclusion. That is Muni. Come to conclusion means they don't know who is God. Like we saw last time that example. Two scholars came to Prabhupada and Prabhupada asked who is absolute truth. They don't know. It is very difficult topic. Is there? So he called a small boy and he told. They are Muni means Prabhupada said that they don't come to that conclusion. But who is Titadir Muni? That also Prabhupada is mentioned here. Titadir Muni is not like this ordinary Muni. So what means here it is what Muni is told, not general Muni we should take. That's why Prabhupada is giving this differentiation. This is different, I mean, says different times is both people. So this Titadir Muni is a person, he has exhausted all his business of creative speculation. He is called Prashanta Nihesa Manoratantra. Means he surpassed all the mental speculation and he came to the conclusion. So he knows who is God. And that Muni doesn't know. And he keeps on searching. Search. So this Titadir Muni has come to conclusion. Simple, Prabhupada is telling. So that's why he gives this sloka also. Vasudeva Sarvamiti. Sarvatma Sadhu. Bahunam Janmanam Ante Jnanavan Mam Prabhupada. Means this Muni is searching. Bahunam Janmanam Ante. Bahut means Bahut both. Bahut means so much. After many birth. Jnanavan Mam Prabhadinte, who has get that Gyan, knowledge, he will come to the point, Vasudeva Sarvamiti, that Vasudeva is the Supreme Lord. Samahatma Sudurlava, that type of soul is very rare. So that is here, he is Titadir Muni. His Muni goes on, finally he comes. Titadir Muni has knowledge of God and knowledge of this material world also. He knows matter also, spirit also. That what Krishna spoke in the beginning. What is this body and what is soul. So that he knows. And knowing this, he acts on that also. Acting means he doesn't want to interfere in these material things, in this world, these worldly activities. Because it is not going to give me any benefit. But whereas we are thinking it gives so much benefit. Why? Means it is, so if you go tell an ordinary person, you should chant, you should come to temple, he will never give any attention also to our words. Just quit, I say, get out. Because they are in ignorance, because they don't have that knowledge. Their knowledge is enjoyment. Khao piyo maja karo. That's what. This is what activities? Whose activities it is? Khao piyo maja karo. Animals. Animals cannot think that something is, God is there, I am soul, that animals cannot. So, Prabhupada says two-legged animals. This animal has 4 legs, because they don't think only whether God is there or not. They want what they want. Subah उठने के बाद कुत्ता क्या करेगा? It goes to one garbage, sniffs, some edible is there, it eats. And once it becomes bulky and it enjoys with female dog. And create some child and run here and there. While eating so much fearful also it is. This comes, this fear, everything it goes on. This thing only it is enjoying. It doesn't come out from this. But a human being should not be like that. But if he is like that means he doesn't have that knowledge. But Titadir Muni has that knowledge. That's why he is detached from this material world. To the degree one has knowledge, to the degree only his output, that virakti, that detachment will be there. So that's why this Muni doesn't disturbed by these threefold miseries. Adhyatmika also, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. And top of it, he accepts it as mercy of Lord. He thinks that I supposed to lose my whole hand only, but by mercy of Lord only my one finger went. Alice Prabhupada used the example. Krishna doesn't punish us his devotee like that, but he token advance he gives, like little karma, little pain he gives for that. That's why, like we can see that the example Prahlad Maharaj, how much trouble he undergone. You can see in that diorama and temple behind it is the throwing in fire, boiling in oil, throwing from mountain above, elephant they bring. But he was what he was doing? Hare Krishna, very simply he was chanting. Where he knows that if Lord wants to protect someone, no one can kill me. If Lord wants to kill me, no one can protect me. Hare Krishna Rakhe. That's why this time came, this fellow has to die, going to die. No doctor can protect him. In Prahlad's case, he should not die. His father Hiranyakasipu is such a demonic person. He tried in many ways, but he died. And he doesn't accept that happiness also. He knows that happiness also given by Krishna only. And it has to be given to Krishna only. Why I should? Matta smritir jnana apahanam. So everything is coming from Lord only. Not I did something. It is given like Prabhupada. He did such a 108 temple at the age of 70. He went without money and made such a revolution. Last he told that by my Guru's mercy. They are all who all came, his disciples, he told they were sent by my Guru just to bring this Krishna consciousness. He doesn't say, he didn't say help also to do this. So that's what his humility. In general, what people consider as happiness means if you get good job with high salary, Microsoft mein job mil gaya, and if you get high post like IAS, you became IPS, Chief Minister, Prime, something like that, or if you marry your own, the lover means that girl whom you were, so then everybody's love. This one thing only everybody's smiling. So you got some house, big house or lottery, some edible also will give happiness to us. Like if I say there is no prasadam today means my Lord. Here I am as and if there is feast, if I say when this fellow will complete the class. So mine goes accordingly. We also undergone all this now. Today he is not leaving the mic. So like this, people think that is happiness, but actually this is immature happiness. That's in bodily level only. Because whatever you have this possession, post, is everything you have to live. Either it leave you or you have to live. Are you? Temporary. Because you have some 2 crore, you have that fear. No one should come and steal. Buy such a powerful, what do you call, lock, fingerprint, so many security you would pass there. Then only you can open. Raisambro gave one example. Like this one person. Means he gave just one imaginary story only. That fellow has so much money, and at night he wants to sleep. He has so many doors to close the house. 1 door, 2 door, 3rd door, and then he closed everything, and then password security, fingerprint security, face recognition, everything he put, and then he took the key, put in his pocket, and he slept. So he put in his pocket and he slept. Immediately he woke up. Some sound is coming. Maybe thief or what? So open and see camera. Okay, some rat is running. Then he slept. So he cannot, means he's trying to say he unable to sleep also properly. Then he went and opened and saw also here and there. Nobody is there. Only rat is running. Okay. Again he came and he slept. And he was sleeping. Suddenly he saw, where is the key? Who has taken the key? He is seeing here and there. The key is not there. He became so much agitated. I left the key there or someone came and stolen the key and took the money or what. So much agitation. Then he said, in this packet key was there. My Lord. So this must be, really I am telling this, people are so much in anxiety. If you have this thing, you cannot be, even if you marry a girl, if she is so beautiful also, very dangerous. Everyone is watching my wife only. This really, I'm telling it happened in my street. That I have seen that boy is black and he married a white girl. So he is very little insecure. Nobody should go. They ask he should not run away from someone. So like this insecurity is there. I don't know what. So this is, they knows this, what exactly. This doesn't, it's not going to give us happiness only. Like even in spiritual also, many people are behind like this. Like material people, in spiritual also, someone, I want many followers. मेरे को सब लोग जय बोलना है, इधर भी मैं जाऊँगा. And they want to earn so much money they will take. And they will keep everything in their banks, Swiss bank account all they will be having. Swiss bank account means there should be some 250, 300 crore is there only you can open account. So these people are having that much money. So or they want to be some YouTube nowadays there, na, charismatic type. If you see only your passion will increase. You don't need to, you have seen some videos like that. Some days outside you can see so much charismatic talk and somebody like to sing so many things. Like this they want to also attract people. You have to do everything in spiritual to attract who? Krishna, not to attract some others. Like I am singing and Lord is there, but I am seeing this side. Somebody is attracted or not. Lord will see, okay, you go there only then. So, like this one wants to become famous lecturer, means famous speaker. Whenever I speak, everyone sab tali bajana hai. That is all material again. Even though you came in spiritual, you became brahmachari also, became sannyasi also, but if you go behind this, again, samaya vahi kevala. It's all waste only again. So, because we should know that whatever we are doing, if I am good in something, then the skill is given by God. So the best use we can do is we have to give it to Lord only. Somebody can sing, okay, sing for Lord. Somebody can cook nicely, cook for Lord. Anything. Some beauties are there very good in art. So Prabhupada immediately engage them in painting nothing. Somebody good in decoration, immediately put in deity service. Decorate Lord. So you saw ISKCON way of dressing us, you cannot find anywhere. So Prabhupada brought them out all the skills. Okay, you can use this skill for making Lord's dress. You cannot see anywhere. Have you ever seen in any temple this type of dresses? Krishna or something? No one. Even if you go this Sri Vaishnavas, even light also will not be there properly. But either they could. Everything Prabhupada very wonderfully made. So one can use this for Lords. If somebody thinks it is I am doing, I did means that is again that I mentality did not go, that ego. Once one proper disciple sannyasi, he was taking care of Govindas. And he slowly started losing chanting. He was so much concentrated on this Govindas, this activity only. And then devotee said, what you are doing is not correct. Please leave this service and come back. He said, no, I cannot come. And Prabhupada, it went to matter. Prabhupada also went to him and asked him, what are you doing? Why are you so much behind this management? And he wants to develop Govindas. Actually, he wants to earn more money.
He wants to
earn more money.
Okay.
So he wants developing, and then Prabhupada went and asked him, what are you doing? You should leave this. So he was not ready to leave. Then Prabhupada asked him, who are you? I am so. Belongs to whom? Krishna. So who gave you this service? You, Prabhupada. And then Prabhupada asked him everything. He told like this, because of your mercy, because of your mercy. So whom this Govindas belongs to? Mine. That one thing he told mine. So Prabhupada said, okay, keep it. Because he is not in the mood of ready to accept. Prabhupada never said anything even. Gradually that fellow fell down. He left ISKCON also. So that's what materially one, even if you come here also, then should be very careful. One should not again carry away. So Prabhupada, you see, he was not behind money. Whatever money comes to him, immediately engages somewhere, something you do. He doesn't keep in and he doesn't, maybe if he keeps also for some purpose. So there was one photo, I told you that one outside one Swami was given photo. So much money is there, he is like this, I don't want money. Like this photo. So people will think, see, he is so much detached. So Prabhupada said, if I want to take, I will keep like this, all money. Because I want to engage all money in Krishna. One small clip will be there. Prabhupada said, All in this world, how much money is there you can bring? I will engage everything in Krishna service. I can engage. Devotees will serve. Jai Prabhupada. And for this type of devotees, Lakshmi will come. See, money is Mother Lakshmi only, right? Where Mother Lakshmi is there, Lord Vishnu's lotus feet she is serving. So as soon as somebody is using that money for Krishna, then she immediately comes. Please engage me in Krishna service. She only will come. From where, how we don't know. Like this temple. Krishna and Prabhu was telling you, remember? Before this, only the small temple was there. Punjabihari temple. No, nothing was going properly. Brahmacharis were asleep. They don't get up for morning program also. No rules only. Krishna and Prabhu told jokingly that
Which temple?
Punjabihari camp temple.
Okay.
So no, nothing was proper. Nobody was properly going. Brahmacharis they were just eating and sleeping. And then Krishna and Prabhu tells very jokingly that we have to go and get up that Pujari, and Pujari will go and wake up Lord. I said, oh God. You did not attend Prabhu's lecture, no? He attended some lecture, amazing lecture. So he told that how so much difficulty it was that time. Then Gopal Krishna Maharaj told Rana Swami Maharaj to give some brahmacharis. Then Rana Swami Maharaj sent Radhe Sampru. He came and he is very vibrant person. Made so many rules, so much wonderful he brought. Prabhu goes to market for some alms to collect. Give me some sabji, some gives sabji, some person gives rice, some gives dal. Like that he will go and collect. One small notice they will print. We will go and give, please give whatever you can, we are going to have for our temple. In mic में announce करके जाते. जो भी मिलता है उसको खिचड़ी बनाते हैं शाम को होती. That only Prabhu will distribute for classes. Like now you are all coming for classes. How? So like this khichdi only khichdi, nothing else. Like this it started. So because he is very powerful and very pure, everything came out. That's why that Mother Lakshmi herself will come. Please use me in your service.
So Radha
Yes.
Prabhu first took the charge of that temple camp.
Yeah, that was given that service. From there, in that then 90 more brahmacharis, 90 around 100 brahmacharis were there. Chota mandir hai wo. Devotees will sleep in parking area. इधर जगह मिल रहा है उधर डाल देना चाहिए. आप जल्दी आएंगे आप जगह वो जगह आपके लिए. Even I have seen also that brahmacharis पे छोटा जगह इधर उधर कपड़ा सुखाने के लिए रहते उधर आके सोते. They sleep here and there, and one Chaitanya Charan Prabhu was sharing that one devotee. Prabhu Raisam Prabhu came from late lecture, 11 o'clock, something like that. Very late he came. So he doesn't have place to sleep. He went to parking area and slept. So Prabhu woke up and told him, Prabhu, please you sleep, I will go outside. No, you sleep here. I will go out. And he went and out he slept. Such a sacrifice all they did. So that's so many things they did. Now everything came out and we are happily sitting and wonderful atmosphere. Everything, that ambience was created. That's how Mother Lakshmi will, she herself only will come. So, okay. Here they don't worry about this either attachment or aversion. Here you can see Prabhupada says what is attachment and aversion. Both are different. It seems opposite, but the difference I will tell you. Attachment, okay, 1 minute. Where is the point? For the service of the Lord, he is always daring and active, and is not influenced by attachment or aversion. For Lord's service, for Lord's sake, he doesn't worry whether it is attachment or aversion. He does. Something is required, then he will take up and use it for Lord. But for his own sake, he never uses. For Lords, we have built such a big temple, and inside AC all we have. Inside we have AC, so many things. But ashram lift also not there. So if you have become old, you will be in ground floor. If you are young, we are in top floor now. If your health is good, you will be in top floor. So many things we avoided. For our even cooking also, you can see simple. Same thing for us: rice, dal, sabji, chapati, and bhakri for Maharaj. Same thing morning also, evening also, every day. So attachment means accepting things for one's own sense gratification. Understood what attachment means? Accepting things for one's own sense gratification. And detachment means absence of such sensual attachment. So for one example, the next verse is connection to this. Like Vishaya Vinivardante, where is the verse? It's 59th verse. That time I will explain that. So how this attachment and aversion is like a diabetic person. He's attached to sweet, but he should not eat. So it looks like he is detached. If somebody doesn't know, I don't want sweet, then you say, wow, he doesn't not eating sweet, very austere person one will think, but he has that desire, but he cannot eat. So the thing is that he has the desire did not go. Like this only this suppressing mind and senses. You suppress that mind and senses, externally you think, I am controlled now, but inside we have that desire. So it is just waiting. Little gap you give, it will come inside. That's why you should be very careful. Mind, we should not play with the mind. Mind, we should keep under our control always. Means this, actually this Chitradur Muni, he will tell mind what should be done. For us now, mind is telling, go and sleep, don't attend class. Why are you going to class? Generally, I remember that when I was outside, means work, that time I was studying in college, that time I want to come inside, means staying with the devotees. But it was very difficult for me, I felt. Staying with devotees means so much restriction. I cannot eat what I want. I cannot roam also. They will ask, and you have to sleep on time. So many rules and regulations is there. So why should I told the devotee, bro, I will next month I will try. Next month I was just postponing. I don't want only. Because I have seen went also. Very simple rice dal they will give. Here at least some masala rice they are giving. They're only white rice. So I'll learn one sabji. Why to go? Why I should stay with them? This is very austere. We'll see later. After we go for job or general people also tell na old age. जब old age आएगा उस समय कृष्णा रामा बोल के जाएंगे. That time what you can do with Lord? You cannot do it. You cannot understand. You cannot serve. All the body part is spoiled. So I was just postponing the things. So then one day then I was thinking whether what I'm doing is right or wrong. So I was, if I stay here, what I will get? I'm not going to get anything. But if I go and stay there, surely it will be beneficial for me. So it will be difficult to come out from that situation, this situation. But once I came, I felt very happy. Then after some days, I realized I took proper decision. But before I was there, Maya doesn't leave us very easily. Anything you want to leave, impossible here. Only the devotee was pulling me. Devotees, that is the mercy of devotee. He always gives me some advice. See, he was staying there. I think चालू कर दिया अभी यही बोलेंगे क्या नया बोलने वाले थे ये मत करो वो मत करो ये नहीं करना है वो नहीं बोलना but of course that is good for us like you tell the child you should not eat ice cream should not eat chocolate child will be frustrated because child has so much desire to enjoy that but if you tell that child doesn't like but if child always says na whenever my uncle comes he gives me ice cream he gives me chocolate whatever I want he gives but mother doesn't give. So it is something like this. Maya is like mama. Mother is like devotees. They pull you from outside. So we should decide that. Now I need Krishna or Maya.
Yes.
If you need Krishna, of course there is some struggle is there, but that leads to ultimate happiness. But if you need Maya, of course it appears like it is giving you happiness, but finally it's slaughter means slaughterhouse है ना वैसा ही. Slaughterhouse मतलब क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में बुचर शॉप कसाई so उधर क्या करते they will keep goat before cutting the goat they feed nicely the goat will be thinking hey, I don't need to go anywhere they are giving and putting otherwise goat has to go here and eat another goat will come and eat and this fellow has to go here but either he thinks either अच्छा मिल रहा है वो fresh grass why I should go here there better stay here only but that fellow will say this fellow became now fat पकड़ो इनको लेके जाके छाप वैसा माया करते it fits enjoyment ले लो बेटा कितना चाहे ले लो but when the nice proper time comes so one should think that whether I want Krishna or Maya Krishna I want what should I do Maya if you want no need to do Maya only will do time is shall we go to next sloka also what is the time now
6:10.
6:10 of course this one more sloka will complete we started little late na? Because this connection these two verses about this how does he speak we'll go to 57 also ya sarvatrana bisnehas tat tat prapya subhasubham Nabhinandan Na vinandati na dvesti. Tasya prajna pratishtita. Translation. In the material world, one who is unaffected by whatever good or evil he may obtain, neither praising it nor despising it, is firmly fixed in perfect knowledge. Is unaffected. Good, bad, or means good and bad. He never appreciate. I got good thing, or he never despise also. He never disappreciate also that I got such a thing. People लोग बोलते ना ऐसा हो गया मेरे को भगवान क्यों मेरे को ऐसा कर रहे ऐसा कर रहे. He never tell like that also. Or God is very good. God is great. Now he is giving me whatever I want. So both he doesn't do. Almost same only what we read, but little different. In this world, you see, there is always dualities, and it is relative world. He doesn't affected by because he is fixed in Krishna. His mind is fixed there. So whatever it comes or goes, he knows that knowledge is there, that intelligence. So he will not be affected by that. General people say, na, if Lord is good, then why he has created this suffering world, this misery world? One question may come. And second question again it may come, why he has pushed here? So is he really good God or bad God? Why he did this? So the means this world, why the problem in this world is dualities. Duality, you know, right? We saw that. Sita Ushna, Sukha Dukkha. Means there will be happiness also, there will be suffering also. All two will be there. Even coin also has two sides. Head, tail, day, night, winter, summer. And the problem is we need opposite thing only. When winter comes, it will be too cold, but we need hot. थोड़ा गरम गरम खाएंगे अच्छा रहेगा. इसलिए गरम गरम खाने के लिए भी अच्छा लगता है. हॉट हॉट बड़प्पा मस्त लगता है ना विंटर. But summer you see that time you get heat, but that time you don't want heat. ठंडा चाहिए, ठंडा पानी चाहिए, ठंडा cool drinks ये वो आते हैं. आइसक्रीम खाएंगे अच्छा लगेगा. So that is a problem in this material world. Krishna gives one situation and you don't want that. He gives summer and you want winter. He gives winter then and you don't want winter, you want summer. So that's the problem in this material world. So the question is like, why Lord has created this world? Anybody knows the answer? We discussed many times.
Because we were envious of the Lord and we want to enjoy.
Yeah, correct. We want to enjoy. Generally, we decide. Like Krishna is the enjoyer. We saw that, right? 5.59. Bhaktara Megnata Pasham Sarvalokamesva. Sudam Sarvabhutanam Nyatvam Santi Rakshati. This is the Bhakta, is the enjoyer. But we think why I should serve him only? Why I can't be enjoyer? Then the Lord, when that desire came, then Lord thinks you are not fit to stay here. Like you are in military, always सूटी करना है, थोड़ा दारू पिएंगे, ऐसा कुछ मजा करेंगे, then they immediately remove you.
Yes.
What is it? Postmaster. They remove you immediately. Then you have to come here, outside world. You can do here enjoyment. There you cannot do. Same as spiritual world, you cannot do this type of enjoyment. So Lord has created this facility. You can enjoy here, and He doesn't give proper thing. Why? He cannot handle that also. Like your mother cooks in kitchen, child will go. Child cries, I too want to cook. Allow me, I too want to cook. And if you allow to child, what will happen? Child will be cooked. So, so what mother will do? She gives some toy kitchen. So child also will do this, and we are now cooking, and she also takes some plastic vegetable, do something like that. So he tries for 1 or 2 hours, all children will play. Then finally the child will get hungry, so where he has to come? So same way. You want to enjoy this material world, go. And we also try our best. I will enjoy with this, I will enjoy with that, do that, this is. Will frustrated finally. Krishna, then will come to Lord. And that's why Lord also keeping that frustration. He cannot enjoy without me, one thing. And then even if you enjoy also, you cannot handle. And why he pushed us here? He did not push us. We want to come. Like we do some criminal activity, and then the government, what he will do? Put us in jail. So we cannot blame the government. Why you are building this much big jail? You can do something else for that. Why jail is required? Because government knows some unscrupulous means this type of criminals will be there. This type of people will be there. That's why this much jail they build. And that is not the purpose of jail is to reform you, not punish us and beat you there. If you are not ready to change yourself, of course they will give some punishment. It's like that punishment only, just to make us understand that we cannot enjoy. That's why we are also trying enjoyment in many ways. Sorry, many things, many advertisement, this, that, it keeps on coming. One car is sufficient for us. Take one ambassador car, that is sufficient. But why this many models, this, that, people just to loot them only. Same thing is going to happen. Anything different? Like you sit in ambassador or you sit in BMW, any difference? You are going to reach
Destination.
some cushion, some comfort is there. That's it. Same this material. Well, eating is same, sleeping is same, but we went some very comfort building with so much ACs, music, this, that, perfume. Some places there, sophisticated sleeping area also. The bed also rotates slowly, and then some sound will come, and the bed will massage you. Aisa karte. I say, hey,
Yes.
you can search and see also. And then if you want, immediately press one button, winter. So winter type of sound will come, soothing air will come, the fragrance also will come. I had this type of facilities there. But once you sleep, if you put some outside also, you will not understand. कुत्ता देखो आराम से सोते इतना गाड़ी जाते आते रहते कुछ केयर नहीं करते उड़ के देखते ठीक है you see some sound comes immediately wake up ठीक है but we want so many things same sleeping only eating also once you before eating you will be have hankering I want if I get this item will be nice hot vada pav will be nice now poha will be nice I don't know what are it puran poli it will be nice now. But as soon as you get some 4-5 chapati you put inside or some rice you put inside, you give puran poli also you say no. Because our limited senses. That's why we want to enjoy without Krishna. That's why Krishna has given these dualities. And then we cannot enjoy also. You experience, you understand, then you come to me. That is Vasudeva Sarvamita. Roam here and there, do many things, go to this body, that body. Because of so many desires, so many body we will get. You want to enjoy this desire, then go there. Like you have done this, like in jail also so many categories there.
Category of sense.
अभी छोटा सा crime किया, ठीक है 4-5 months they will give one dormitory. I went to Chennai jail. Before means they want to construct new jail, so they gave that free admission. They can go and see. So we were seeing that. So big jail there it was written. Some 6 months means they put in that jail. And some jail is 2 or 3 people will be there. They have done little more very worst criminal activity they have performed. So they will put there. Very most people will be there above, and very small only that is. You can only sleep and above the toilet.
Yes.
So how much worst it will be? Like somebody murdered, raped someone, such a nasty thing they did. For them it is given. So like this, the body also given. You have done this, you have this desire or you have this sinful activity, go to this body, that body, go to this planet. When planet also differs. For this planet, somehow we came is the wonderful opportunity is to work with, very good, that is one thing. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is there now. It will be there only for 10,000 years. If at all we do some punya, Krishna Prabhu bataya na, you do some punya and you will go to heavenly planets. Heavenly planets is either उधर का 12 hours, here 6 months. उधर का एक दिन, इधर 1 साल. So there no old age disease also. You do punya and you live there for happily. Either 1 year, 2 year, 10,000 years हो जाएगा. Again if you come back, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu का movement ही हो गया. Then again we will go to other things. So better now only utilize it. That emergency one has to understand. Now I have the time, the prime time is there. As I told you in the earlier, I want Krishna, Maya, that I have to choose, then act immediately. When One who is going to, when one is going to die, we don't know at any time. Like Parikshit Maharaj got 7 days. So 7 days he utilized it very properly. After he left and started hearing Bhagavatam. He told also, don't think that I need water or I want to have some this and that eating. I don't want anything. You speak. He must that urgency. He has that sincerity. All right. We'll stop here. Any question?
So the question is today, but I have a question for you. Like the Arjuna is also known as Buddha Krishna. So it means that that he has conquered his sleep. So like, but sleep is also somewhat. But like I'm thinking from materialistic point of view, that sleep is also essential. So how can we term that? as?
Buddha Kesa means that is the sleep. Sleep means ignorant. He came out from ignorant. He got knowledge from Lord, right? We discussed that. Exact Buddha Kesa means what? He came out from ignorance, means he got knowledge. Like Prabhupada also we can say Buddha Kesa. Early morning he gets up and give commentary. He writes commentary. 2:30 he will get up daily. He sleeps for 2 hours or 2.5 hours only. And because night he gets some time. He doesn't have time. Whole day he was engaged. And that too in that age. We can't. One day if I didn't get proper sleep, I sleep in chanting, morning program, class, every whole morning program I will be sleeping only. But Prabhupada, you see such a spiritual. That's what spiritual power has now someone. He can do miracle. He is blessed by Lord. We cannot understand what all he is doing. Even material people are doing. Many people they don't sleep also. Scientists are not. Once they involve in that particular experiment, they forget eating also. You know, Einstein, who is that? He doesn't know who is giving his food also. Many after that, who is bringing my food, he was thinking. So much they just involved. They only doing proper. So that's what. Buddha Kesa means once become spiritual, they don't, means they reduce the bodily needs, eating, sleeping, mating, depending. Prabhupada said that he is sannyasi, so no union with a woman. And defending, he doesn't need to worry because Krishna is taking care. Krishna only takes care of him. He surrendered to Lord. And he is eating also, he reduced. One time he was eating. And slowly, because of his bodily condition, he was drinking only dal, some liquid item. Sleeping also, at last he left. So he told, this is called his above bodily platform. No eating, sleeping, mating, depending. So, anything else?
No.
Finished? Vyadi, Adhyatmika, Jara. Means Adhyatmika means what? From view.
Yes, sir.
Means body and mind both. So mind level also problem will be there. Somebody chastises, somebody is troubling us. It troubles our mind. Body level is disease. Is also there. General real problem is this. Threefold miseries and this birth, old age, this two are there. And in the disease also will be there, Adhyatmika. Whatever related to body is Adhyatmika it comes. So in this body means you have, body means, sorry, birth is there means death is there. So in between these two stages, old age disease also will be there. Old age is actually troublesome. One cannot see properly, hear properly, eat properly. If you eat, it won't digest. Full of headache. So much hectic life. You cannot. Radha Gopinath Prabhu, you know, right? Chopati. He gave one example. He was a doctor. There one old person. He was so much frustrated. For a long time, he is trying to cut his nail in leg. So he took that clipper. He wanted to cut because of the shaking. He unable to cut. He tried for hours. Frustrated and thrown. Because in old age the nail will become very thicker also, very strong. Trying and so this is like this. He told the problem. You cannot see things properly here. Old people. हमको गुस्सा आता है ना, मैं चिल्लाते. So because there is a frustration is there. Every level you can see. When children also they don't know what is happening to children. Immediately child will cry. I remember my cousin. The child he was crying. We were thinking why he is crying. Then an ant was bitten. The Chaitanya Mota ho gaya. The ant was crawling. Then we removed the ant. A child cannot say also. So much everywhere. Padam padam yadvi padam adesam. After stop there is problem. That's why this type of knowledge. Generally, it comes temple in before. I think वैसे यही बोलते क्या? थोड़ा अच्छा चीज बोलो ना. ये ठीक नहीं वो ठीक नहीं फिर तो हो जाएगा. Actually, this is first state. First we understand this. We come to that level, then we can think about God. We can understand God. Some purification is required. Some determination is required for us. So by hearing this, this is reality actually. We are not something telling some uh, which is not happening or something concocted. Means imaginary thing we are not telling. This is the reality. Anything else?
Okay.
Stop here. Bhagavad Gita ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.